Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq, with another 2D tutorial of AutoCAD. So let us start our figure. First of all, I am going to draw center reference line as shown in our figure. Select the line and draw a vertical line for reference. Of length 99 and 88. So we have drawn a vertical line, reference line. Again, I am going to offset this line at a distance of 71 on either side. My figure, the above portion, and at the below we will offset this line at a distance of 50. Again, select offset and give a distance of 50 and offset this line. Now looking to our figure, is shown in our figure we have two circles on either portions with radius of 21 and 30. So select circle and draw these two circles with a radius of 21 and 30. Now I'm going to mirror these two circles on other side of my figure center line. Again, I'm going to draw another two circles with a radius of 25 and 15 at the below portion as shown in our figure. So select circle with and draw two circles of radius 15 and 25 as shown. Now again I am going to mirror these two circles from the vertical center line. At the top of our figure, I am going to draw two circles with a radius of 21 and 30. So again select a circle and draw two circles with a radius of 21 and 30. As I have drawn the 5 circle at the 5 reference point in our figure, now we are going to fillet these circles with a specific radius of 81 as shown. So again select the fillet and fillet the other sides with a distance with a fillet radius of 81, and on above portion fillet the circle with a radius of 80 as shown in the figure. Select the fillet and draw and give a radius of 80 on above portion and select both two circles which you want to build. So this level of figure has been completed. Now trim the extra entities and extra lines which we have drawn for references by selecting trim command. Press TR double enter and trim the extra entities. As I have trimmed the extra entities, now I am going to give profile dimension to my figure. So go to annotation tab and give profile dimension to my figure. Select the linear and select the both two reference point. Again going to radius and draw. So we have given all the dimension to my figure. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. As the color is not properly visible, so I'm going to annotation tab and will change the color of my text. So that I'm going to print will take a print out of my drawing by drawing a window across the drawing, and will center the plot and take a PDF file. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So this is the final figure. Thanks for watching.